Here's how to navigate Waze like a pro for efficient travel. Now, for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is head over here. I'm just going to tap on this 3 vertical lines, and then we're going to go ahead and click plan a drive. Now, if you want to navigate Waze like a pro, then what you are going to do is basically set here. So how do we do that? I'm just going to tap the plus sign right here, and say for example, we're going to look for a destination. I'm going to go ahead and try to right here. This is a traffic area in my city, by the way, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this one, Osmania Circle. All right, there you go. Now, what is going on in here is this one. So as you can see, if you want to arrive by around this time, all right, say for example, we're going to go ahead and try to arrive there at 11. Then what you're going to do is leave by 10:09 a.m. So that is very important, right? If you want to arrive on time, you got to set this one. Now, say for example, you want to go ahead and try to arrive there by around 3 p.m. Then you have to leave at this particular time of the day. Now, they have actually tried to input all the data that they have in the previous days, months, in order for them to give you an accurate details in here. Now, what you are going to do is click the save button right here. There you go. And basically what's going to happen is you'll get reminded when to leave. So later at around 2 p.m. of the day, you are going to be asked to leave already by that time. Now, if you want to go as of the moment, you can just go ahead and tap the go button right here. Click that over there, and as you can see, it is now calculating the best route for me. And that, everybody, is how you are going to navigate Waze like a pro if you want to be efficient.